Kick assets. Cha-ching.
Yes, I know I'm wearing the same hat and clothes from the other video. I had to make this at the same time. I didn't want to tell you in that video. I give you a wink, but it's more fun to tell you about it here. So, yeah. House number 3, I went with that. I remember the potential land I could have bought. I could have. Well, it went through. It was lucky. So, yeah, soon after I bought the property, I'd say 2 or 3 weeks later, I got a call from the same agent saying the owner, I made a mistake actually. The owner I bought this house off of actually owned half the other plot of land, and they owned it with somebody else in the family, but they cannot find the other person in the family. So that's why he didn't originally sell it with the original house, because it would cause an issue. But I said I wanted it anyways. So they decided to sell it to me for a good price. 1 million yen. Wow. I couldn't say no to that. It's a great deal for land that in Tokyo like that. I mean, the land is 25 meters squared. It's like half my house. Jeez. So yeah, obviously I'm going to take it. Even though it doesn't bring any immediate benefits, it just makes things easier. I mean, obviously it clears up a few issues like the deck. Now, technically the deck is on my land, all of it. So we're good. And I got a garden. Yeah, so that does clear it up. The only issue with the land is that the land is 50 meters squared. I own half. Now here's the problem. Half doesn't mean I own half the land. Like there's a line here open to this point, and that's their land. It means I own 50% of that land. So they own 50% of my part of the land, and I own 50% of theirs. Only in that section though. So what that means is that I can technically use that parking spot, even though it's not, you know, it's if you divided the land in half, they would have the parking spot and I'd have the garden. But because it's all our land, I could technically use the parking spot and they could technically use my garden. So considering the fact that they're not around and they cannot say anything about us using it or me using it, then it's mine. You understand what I'm saying here? So unless they complain about it, which they're not there, then I can use it. And the fact is that even if they do complain, I technically own half, so they can't really complain. They could just tell me, let's work out a deal. Let's do this, or sell, or sell me their part of the land, you know, which I'd buy. That'd be nice. But the point is that A, they can't find them, and B, even if they do complain, there's nothing they can complain about because I technically own the land. It's just what pixel do I own of that land? DPI, dots per inch. You know, like come on. So it's pretty cool. It's not like I'm using a parking spot on land I don't have any connection to or I don't own. So it's just a gray area, which is really cool. So I'm really happy that I got that land. Of course, I'm not going to say no to that. It just makes my house that much bigger on the land, that much bigger. And in the future, if I ever did sell it, it gives more potential. And I'd probably sell it for more than 1 million yen, obviously. So I made profit right there by buying it that cheap. And the third point is that now they cannot sell that chunk of land and build a house on it to bother my house. That's important. I like that. It's good to know. It means I have control. So either they can come to me and ask me to buy my half and then do something, or I can buy their half. But I'm not going to sell my half because I don't want them to do anything with the land, right? And I'd rather have my land. So yeah, because before me not owning that land, they could have came to me and said, "Hey, could you tear down your deck? It's on our land," which I'd have to do. So I got lucky there. Thank you. Woo! I knew you'd like that bonus story. I did. It went through. Thank you for watching. Well, here we are at house number 16. Got some good news for you. No more deck issue for me, because they sold me this land as well. Well, not all of it, 50% of it. So basically this is 50 meters squared and I own half of it. Which half? We don't know. all of it. It's just a half. Like, we both have co-ownership of it. So luckily the other people are こんにちは。電気の人ですか？お願いします。はい、そうですね。So basically the other people are nowhere to be heard of, so I'll just use it as 100% mine. And if they say something, I'll do something. But it's legally I'm allowed to use it because I own a portion of it. So this is what it is. Electrical guy came here today. Good timing. Just as I arrive to do some cleaning, he's gonna put the power for me. So it's nice. So technically I have parking. Nice big spot too for a scooter and a car. And a garden with a yuzu tree and some weeds and a deck. That's pretty cool. Yay. But let's get rid of the weeds, huh? See how easy to take these out are. Oh. Never had that happen before. Usually it just comes off like this. Oh, okay, that was pointless. I need some gloves to do that. Oh well. Well, that's cool. So that's basically what happened. After they sold me the house, they offered me the land, to buy the land through the agent. So, $1,000,000 yen too. Great deal. Got really lucky there. So that's a bonus of buying this house. So an extra $1,000,000 yen, I just extended my land by 50%. Or 100% if I technically just use it all. But, yeah. Found out from the agent today it was actually 4 minutes walk to this agent. Went from 7 to 5 to 4. I don't know. I thought it was 5, but maybe it's 4. I mean, it's really quick. Like 30-second bike ride. Alright, I better talk to the electrical guy. It's a beautiful sunny day.